Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to turn off YouTube history on your Google account. Open your favorite browser. Go to accounts.google.com. In the left sidebar, click on Data Privacy. Scroll down. Under History Settings section, click on YouTube History. Toggle the button next to YouTube History to turn it off. Click on Pause. That's it. YouTube History is turned off. To delete your old history, click on Manage Activity. Here you can see all your YouTube watch history. If you want, you can delete individual watch history by clicking on the X icon next to the video. To delete all the watch history at once, click on the drop down arrow. Select your preferred duration and click Delete. That's it. All the watch history has been deleted. This is how you can turn off YouTube history on your Google account. Thank you for watching.